Have you ever felt a tiredness that sleep can't reach? A fatigue that feels like it's settled deep into your bones? Or a mind that feels like static at 2 in the morning? In our world, we're taught that if we aren't exhausted, we aren't trying. We're told our burnout is a lack of discipline, or perhaps just bad genetics. But what if the noise in your head isn't a flaw in your character? What if it's simply your body's way of saying it has forgotten how to feel safe? The solution isn't another hustle or a 5 a.m. cold plunge. The answer lies in a series of ancient Japanese shifts that don't require more of your time, only more of your intention. Today, we aren't looking for a transformation. We're looking for a return to center through 3 tiny habits that whisper to your nervous system that it's okay to let go. First, let's look at Kaizen, the safety of the small. While many see this as a business tool for continuous improvement, its true power is biological. When you try to change everything at once, your brain's amygdala, the ancient alarm system, sees it as a threat. It triggers a subtle fight-or-flight response that eventually leads to the procrastination you hate. Kaizen bypasses this alarm. By choosing a goal so small it feels almost silly, you give your nervous system a signal of safety. You aren't fighting a war, you're just taking a step. Don't start a workout routine. Just stand on your yoga mat for 60 seconds. That's it. No movement required. Just the act of showing up tells your brain the environment is safe. Next is Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing. This isn't a hike, it's an immersion. Trees release organic compounds called phytoncides, and when you breathe them in, your body's natural killer cells increase, and your cortisol levels, the chemistry of stress, begin to dissolve. It's not just nice scenery, it's a biological reset that shifts you from your frantic sympathetic nervous system into the rest and digest state. You don't need a forest. Find one tree, stand near it, leave your phone in your pocket, and take 3 breaths. Notice the texture of the bark. Let your heart rate find its natural, quiet rhythm. Finally, there's Kintsugi, the art of repairing broken things with gold. In a culture obsessed with the unfiltered and the perfect, we often view our failures as scars to be hidden, but Kintsugi teaches us that the break is where the value lies. When you stop fighting your imperfections, you lower the inflammation of self-judgment. You allow your brain to stop scanning for what's wrong and start noticing what's real. Think of one mistake you made this week. Instead of fixing it, simply acknowledge it. Say to yourself, "This happened and I am still here." That tiny act of acceptance is the gold that fills the crack. These habits aren't hacks to make you more productive so you can work more. They are invitations to live more. If you're tired of the chase and want to build a life that feels as good on the inside as it looks on the outside, I'd love for you to join us here at Mindset Marker. I'll see you in the next video.